Welcome to the channel. Today we're driving down to Tennessee. We're going to visit a fellow that's got some really cool Flat Fender Jeeps, and he's working on a really neat little scout project. And then we're going to drive down to Harvesters and the Holler, so stick around. Anyway, yep, we're going down to Harvesters and the Holler. Check out some cool rides, visit with some more scout people. We couldn't decide which scout to take, so we're taking them both.
His and hers.
Yeah, so she's taking a Traveler, I'm taking Nugget. We got walkie-talkies, I've got a book on tape.
I got my music.
She's got some dance music, so hers will be doing this the whole way and mine'll just be chugging along. Anyway, we're gonna hit the road, grab some gas, maybe some ice for the cooler.
Yep. And
then start heading that way. The plan is to stop down about halfway there. We met a fella on Facebook that turns out he's kind of in the area, and he's got some really cool Jeeps, flat fenders, old ones, and then he's working on a cool Scout 80 project. I think he's calling it the Congo Scout. Anyway, whatever he's calling it, it looked pretty cool. We'll check it out on the way. I'm trying to remember. I think I know which color they're going with. So to say the least, Joe's got some pretty cool things. And also, he has an air compressor, so he's gonna put a little air in the Traveler's tires. We just realized they're a little low. Hoping it's not a roofing nail. We're having a new roof put on, but we'll see. Well, a little Mexican food for lunch, and we're back on the road.
Jeff Goyette, you actually have something up here too. If you're standing around, you won something this morning, and your wife actually won something too. She won a coffee cup. Yeah. Dennis Barth, you won the Red Cat hat and the banner. 6:37-ish. So I think that's all we got. Anybody have any questions?
April making her standard bacon, egg, and cheese sandwiches for Jeff and her. Sunday has really closed down. Everybody's pulling out. We'll have us a little sandwich first. Take care. Yeah, for sure. So it's Sunday morning and we're packed up to leave, saying some last minute goodbyes. Harvesters in the Holler is an exceptional event. If you're on the East Coast or not afraid to drive to the East Coast, I recommend you do it. Mike and Levi put on a great event, a great chill, relaxed event. If you know, Mike Moore with Scout Co. and Levi with Old Iron Off-Road. It's really a very cool event. So anyway, we're going to get our stuff put together here and hit the road and do our 200-mile ride back to our home in Virginia, our new home in Virginia. So anyway, let's hit the road. Thanks for watching. A big shout out to Mike, Levi, and everyone else who put together Harvesters in the Holler. It was a great weekend. It was also great to meet all of you folks that came down to the show. If we talked, be sure and drop me a note in the comments. It'll be good to hear from you. But thanks again for all of you that came by and chatted with us. Next week we'll be back with our trip from Alaska to Virginia. So be sure and check that out. If you enjoy the videos, consider subscribing, and we'll see you next week.